You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to create a YouTube channel on your phone. Open the YouTube app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, tap your channel, tap Create Channel, enter a name for your channel. You can use your own name or a brand name. Tap Create. Your channel is now live. To customize, tap Edit. Channel, add a profile picture and description. To upload your first video, tap the plus icon at the bottom, then select Upload a video. Choose a video from your gallery and follow the prompts. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.